All right. So how do I undo this? Go ahead.
Yeah, 7.
Add 7. Now, because we are brilliant, right? Because we are brilliant, we can say 5x equals what? -11. That's correct. Now, when you get into advanced math, the numbers don't always have to work out perfectly. You're allowed to get fractions. So now you just divide by what? 5. Everybody now should recognize that as just a fraction. 11 doesn't divide by 5. So everybody writes down x equals -11 fifths. All right, check that.
You can put a fraction as the answer.
Yes, that's exactly right. All right. Now try number 3. Come on, come on. Everybody's got to try. This was not easy. It gets harder as we go down the page. All right, Mr. Wallachek, what am I doing? Subtract what? And what do I get if I subtract 7? -11 minus 7. -11 minus 7. Nope. -18. All right, they're both negative, so you add. Put your hand down, people. Now, how do I get rid of dividing by 3? So A equals. Is the answer going to be positive or negative? Shh. Let him answer. Negative. Now what's 18 times 3? Mental math. What's 10 times 3? I ask you what's 10 times 3? What's 8 times 3? 24 plus 30. There you go, buddy. That's how you're supposed to be doing the mental math. Bless you. Shh, 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 shh. All right. Number 5. All right. Wyatt, go. What is that? Good job. Now what? What? Well, how is the 3 and the D combined? What operation holds them together? So how do you undo multiplication? Right. So you're going to put your hand down. What are you going to do then? Yes, divide by 3. Divide by 3. So if you divide by 3, you get the fraction what? What? Seriously, look, come on. It's not funny to me, guys. It's not funny. All right. I'm dividing by 3. That's what you said. Divide by 3. So you can't see what that is? No, no. It's a fraction. Shh. Leave him alone. What is the answer? What? Look at the board. What is this right here? Well, that is the answer. Yeah, what have you been doing your work? Come on. It's 7 divided by 3. 7 doesn't divide by 3 evenly. So we leave it as a fraction. You leave it as a fraction. All right, let's see who's next. Finley, what am I doing? Yes, sir. Multiply by 3. Good job. Now what? Very nice work. Wow. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you for that display. All right. I honestly, I can't help you with algebra. Right? If you don't know, you're adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. All right. We just can't do it. All right. So speak up if you don't understand number 7. All right, Quinn, go. Brilliant. Brilliant. Yes. Shh, leave him alone. I'm asking for an answer. Come on now. Come on, you got all the way to there. All right, first of all, you said 2x, and I just threw the negative in because I thought you may have forgot that it was negative, right? So now what am I dividing by? Yes, but I want you to say, what am I dividing both sides by? I'm isolating the x. So what number am I getting rid of? Yes, but it's not a 2. It's a what kind of 2? So you're dividing by -2. This is what your brain is supposed to be seeing. So what's my final answer? What is that? Think back to 2nd grade when your teacher said, what's 6 divided by 2? You were happy. 3. Yeah, now I just threw a negative. That's it. I'm not trying to give anybody a hard time now. I'm trying to help. All right. You have to be able to do this. All right. You have to be able to do it. What?
You can also just do it where like, can you just do like what times 2 equals 6?
If you want to do that, right? Or you can think mathematically, right? Because I can make the numbers hard so you can't do them, like the one that I asked you to do. You had no idea what times 3 was -7. That's why you sat there and didn't know what to do. Does that make sense now? Right? If there was a better way, guess what? I promise you I would show you. I need to train your brain to think backwards. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm not guessing and checking anymore. All right, we're working backwards. I taught you how to work forwards. Now we're working what? Backwards. All right, that's what I need from everybody. All right, that's why that was hard for you. When there's a fractional answer, kids don't know how to do it. Right? So now you're learning the importance. All right, Luke, I forgot you. Go. Everyone is doing 7/8 minus 2/3 mentally. Everybody in here should be able to look at 7/8 minus 2/3 and do it mentally. All right, so I'm waiting on Mr. Valdez to tell me what that answer is. And if you can't do it mentally, write it on your paper, and then I'm going to explain to you how you do it mentally. What is it? 5 over. I'm happy with that. No. 5. Yes, that was good for you, though. 5 over 24x plus 7 equals -3. Now, how do we do that? We said the common denominator was what? 24. Now, look, you're big kids now. I'm expecting you to say, what do I multiply 8 by to get 24? 3. So I'm expecting you to multiply 7 times 3 and get what? Now your brain is supposed to hold 21 in your head. That's what you're supposed to do. Now you're going to the other fraction. What do I need to multiply 3 by to get 24? 8 times 2. Now I have to go back to the number that was in my brain, which was 21 minus 16. That's how you can do fractions in your head, guys. That's mental exercise. If you want to be good at math, that's what you have to do. You have to be good at arithmetic. If you're good at arithmetic, I can teach you calculus. But if you're sitting here, if I say, what's 3 times 8, and you're shuffling your fingers together to get 24, we got problems. Go get your math facts out. All right, go do them. You'll be a better math student as soon as you learn your math facts. All right, now what do I do, sir? What did you get? No. How do I get rid of a +7? Yes. Let him answer like I'm going to let everyone else answer. I'm trying to see how good you are. What do I get when I subtract 7? Yes. Now, how do I get rid of a fraction? Multiply by the reciprocal. Brilliant. What's the reciprocal? Now I just put 24/5 and cross it out. X equals. Now we divide first. 10 by 5, which is what? And then 2 times 24. And the answer is? Don't forget the what? -48. Come on, everybody should be able to do that. When you have fractions, divide first if you can. Divide first. All right, Carolyn, you're up. 13. What am I doing first? You are perfect. What is that? Amazing. Now, how do I get rid of a fraction? By the, what is the reciprocal? You are amazing. Is my answer going to be positive or negative? Shh. Why? Look up. So negative times the negative is a what? Yes, ma'am. Now tell me what 12 times 3/4 is. Yes, good, good. All right, making progress. Making progress. Here we go. 15. Let's go. Beautiful. Stop there. Beautiful. Notice she didn't say anything. She just said 3 minus 4x equals 10. Now what? No. What do I need to get rid of? Tell me what I need to get rid of. Say it. Yes, I get rid of the 3. What is the 3? Positive or negative? Right. So how do I get rid of positive 3? Yes. So what is it? You are amazing. Come on, girl. You got this. You got this. Most people make that mistake because they see the -4 and they think the -4 is with the 3. All right. Now, final answer. Shh. Close. No, when I say close, generally that means you're off by a negative. -7/4. Good job. Pretty good. Pretty good. Correct as you're going down. All right, next, please go. Now just tell me. Come on, I trust you. Wait. You said it, you have the right answer, but you said it incorrectly. You're adding 8, right? Negative, yes. So that's good though. You are brilliant, kiddo. That's it. Notice we're flowing down the page. All right, we're flowing down the page. There's boxes for a reason. All right, I'm trying to get your penmanship under control. All right, write neat, smaller. All right, here we go. 19, go.
You would have 14.
Wow, I like it. I like it. Those of you guys who are paying attention can work this problem quicker. Add 14. What do I get?
7, so you get 21.
No. You add 14 to 35. Or you would distribute the 7. Those are your choices. What do you want to do?
I'm gonna add 14.
Add 14 to 35. I'm going to write this step up here, even though it's not necessary for those of you guys who understand. I'm adding 14. Good job. So when I add 14, you understand now this cancels, right?
Yeah.
So what is that?
49 equals 7.
Yeah. Now what do I do?
So I still put it in the sheet.
Yes,
And then you distribute.
you can, but
You can also do divide by 7.
yes, divide by 7. That's the quick way to do this.
And then you get 7 equals. Yeah, 7 equals 4.
And now
you
what?
Add 4.
Add 4.
And then you get 11.
Nice work. Nice. Come on. That was good thinking. All right, good thinking. All right. I like that. Anybody want me to do it the other way? No, no, no. If you got a different answer, you are what? Wrong. Do you want me to, did you distribute? All right, so I'll do it that way too. So listen, guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna erase this. I'm gonna copy it. This is really nice. If you want to do that way. All right, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it right next to it. I'm gonna shrink it down a little bit. And now we're gonna do the distributed property. I'm gonna blow it up right here. All right, here we go. So here's the second technique. The second technique is to just distribute the 7. When you distribute the 7, it's 35 equals 7j minus 28 minus 14. You with me? Now you combine the negative 28 and the negative 14. So 35 equals 7j minus 42. You with me now, right? Now I add 42 to both sides. All right, when I add 42 to both sides, that's 77 equals 7j. J equals 11. Same answer, do you agree? Look how much more work that is. All right, a lot more. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. All right, next, go. My advice here is to do what? Nope. Yes, thank you, sir. Multiply by the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal? What are you talking about? What is the reciprocal? Shh. What fraction do you see? What's the reciprocal? No, don't look over there. Flip it. Yeah, but don't forget the what? Yes. Negative 6/5. Don't worry about that. Negative 6/5 times negative 6/5. Okay, now it's judgment day. Can you multiply fractions properly? So what does that equal, please? I'm waiting for you.
18.
What kind of 18? Negative. Don't forget your negatives. Now what?
Oh, yeah, add 4.
Add 4.
Then you decrease by add.
So if you owe me $18 and you pay me back 4, you're in the clear. I owe you now. Negative 18 plus 4.
Oh, negative 14. Oh.
Come on. Think of this all money. It's all money. You owe somebody 18, you get paid 4. You got to pay them back. So now you only owe them 14. All right, next, go.
Okay, so you do. That's 3s minus. Yeah, I don't know.
3s minus what?
3s minus 15.
Nice.
3s minus 16.
Now what? Well, I'm asking you what to do. You told me to distribute. What do you want me to do now? Come on.
Wait, I mean, minus 17 without on that side.
Okay, so here we go. So let's cut that out. So I like that. 3 parentheses S minus 5 equals what? Yes, sir, negative 21. Now what's an easier way to do?
And then you multiply the 3x.
Okay, he's gonna do that. I'm okay with that. It's gonna be the same answer, even though it's a little bit different. Go.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What's negative 21 plus 15? Use that big brain of yours. Let's go. Close. Negative. Well, look, what I'm asking you to do is, if you're like, look, guys, 21 minus 15. Or what I used to do is just count up. 15 to 20 is how much? 5. 20 to 21 is 1. 5 plus 1, 6. That's honestly how my brain works. I don't ever do subtraction. I just count up right up. All right. So now we're at negative 6. Now what? S equals negative 2. Good. All right, come on, guys. Let's get to work. Lots of ways to solve that. You could have divided by 3 and got negative 7 and then added 5 to get negative 2. All right, next, let's go. Yes, ma'am. Don't forget the negative. Now what? Yes. Now, oh, good job. I like that a lot. So,
N equals -4.
nice work. Nice work. Very good. Very good. I'm happy with that. All right, let's knock out 27, please. Distribute. Go. Tell me. You are amazing. Yes. Come on. What?
Oh, no.
Yes, ma'am. You see your mistake. Everybody does that by accident. They look at this minus sign here. All right, so don't do that. So 9x minus 14 equals 4. Go. Yep. Yes, nice work. Nice work, kiddo. X equals 2. One little mistake. Yes, sir. Thank you, friend. All right, okay, 29. Let's go. Yes, and what do I get? You're amazing. Now what? And so, yes, now when you're dividing by 4, I teach kids divide by 2 twice. 60 divided by 2 is what? 30 divided by 2 is, it's easy to divide by 2. All right, easy to divide by 2. Just like when I divide by 8, I divide by 2 3 times. That's the same thing. Those are good things that help you. All right, next, Mallory, let's go. Good job. Good job. Good. Couldn't have said it better myself. That was perfect. Perfect. Good job. Next. Yes, you do. Good job. No, wait a minute now. Come on. You owe your mom. What is that? No, it's a negative 10, remember? Yes, and then, which is, yes. Now you see how easy it is to make a mistake like that, right? You hear me? Right, so please be careful. Now we just divide by what? What kind of 24? So is all,
Positive
yes. What's 48 divided by 24?
two.
2. We are good. Good job. Good job. All right, Jay, go.
You add the G, so it's -9G,
Nice.
then -14.
Good job.
4.
Yes. Good work. What, that's how it should be done. You should be able to zip right through that now. We've done almost 100 problems. You should be good at it. All right, next. Uh-oh. All right, let's go back to the top. So you have one less even to do for tonight. Go. What are we doing? Which is? Good job. Okay. All right, now what? But we multiply by the reciprocal. All right, so tell me what that is. Positive or negative? Yeah. Now remember, what I need you to do is, I need you to divide first though. 8 divided by 4, it's easier. You with me? All right, that wasn't us, right?
Okay, you have one more.
One more, okay, good. We got one more, perfect. Evan, tell me what to do, bud. Come on, I can't hear you. What am I doing? What's that?
Oh.
Yes. Which is?
4/3.
What kind of 4/3? Come on now, don't forget the negatives. All right, tell me what the answer is. Divide first. Which is? And then? Yeah.
Oh,
6 times 4, man.
20.
Yes, sir. 24. Don't be nervous. All right, it's all good. Now, again, I'm just telling you, you gotta understand numbers, all right? Fractions, all right? Easiest way to handle them. All right, now look, your job tonight is try to do the evens. All right, try to do the evens. Then tomorrow I'm just gonna put them up the board and you're gonna grade yourself and say, I know what I'm doing. All right, then Friday we have this, that's it. There's like Friday, I already told you that a million times. So there's 36. I'll probably put maybe like 25 on the,
Is it a quiz or a test?
probably a quiz. I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Number 2, here we go. Let's look.
Oh, no, what do you mean, how do you do after?
I multiplied by the reciprocal. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10.
You just divide by the bottom one. And then
Yes, yes. Then the numbers get smaller rather than bigger. It's easier. All right, guys, I'm pretty happy with that. Stop talking. Get busy right now on the evens. Good work. Good work for today. Hopefully that helps.